Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to show you my ADDW1 oil catch can. Show you, I know a lot of people ask, do catch cans really work, or is it worth it? Um, this one I haven't drained in, probably about, not that long, probably about 1,000 miles. Let me see. I'm gonna pour it into a Coke can for now, and we'll find something better later to dispose of this properly. I have a real hard time with these cans getting this base off, so I do is just take the hoses off and you can go ahead and, but you can see about how much oil is going to be in here after 1,000 or so miles, maybe a little more. Oops, too much from draining out the other holes. So I don't know if you guys can see that. All kinds of nasty, oily liquid. It's almost like a sludge in the bottom. Huh. Yeah, so this is, obviously, this is on my Stinger, so it's got twin turbos, but, you can see all this would have gone into your intakes, especially with these direct injected engines. They're notorious for the intakes clogging up with this kind of stuff, and over time, imagine, this is 1,000 miles, imagine how much is going by in, 100,000 miles. So, especially if you mod your car like I do, you're going to want pick up a catch can. It's really easy to install. You can check out my other video with my Optima install, and it's something you can do yourself for 120, 130 bucks. Alright guys, appreciate it.